Yo, so many, a Wallow Wise Entertainment, Westside stand up. I ain't do this shit in a while though. Get it. Yo, what's the matter with you? Mad cause the flow is that official? And you shit like ass and tissue. I point the gat and play practice with you. See, after that I double back and start dumping with the Mac like if the gat had missed you. No doubt, blood on the gravel if you just assume like you were going and you can't be touched like an acid pistol. I ain't laughing with you, I'm just cheesing. That's my little ritual before I start squeezing. What else you trying to see that? Squeamish, bastard bitch, you looking scared like a motherfucking faggot bitch, you with the virus. To you, I'm Osiris. I'm like them stunts at home, you can't try this. Fight this? Nah, my nigga, we'll fucking plaster mix you. Bullets be ravishing you, the casket would have to fit you. And you ain't having it, well, we ain't having it too. You better sit down and learn like your ass was in school. Cool, okay, back to Ginsu. Blade rhymes that'll practically hack you in two. If I was playing, not mad to hit you. I ain't joking though. My mom, dad, nose long like Pinocchio. These bitches looking at him like, oh man, I know we broke reciprocating the situation while all you hoes.